Here we go.
Tomica World is a thrilling motorised road and rail system where everything works together. It's all kinds of fun in one. Add on more features from our great range of accessories to build an exciting motorised transport world. So the fun just goes on and on. Tomica World sets and accessories. Trust Tomy.
When you're shopping in town for a movie to watch, you'll find every variety a real hodgepodge. There are millions of videos you might enjoy, but just one that's a walloping guaranteed joy. It's the topmost, unparalleled, first-rate, the best. And it stars this unsavory, hairy green pest.
I must find some way to keep Christmas from coming.
From the Dr. Seuss book that you all surely know comes a true cartoon classic. One heck of a show.
These stockings are the first things to go.
All singing, all dancing, all laughing out loud. Don't miss the boat. Be a part of the crowd. How the Grinch Stole Christmas is in your local store. Get your copy today. No, get 2, 3, wait, 4. Give the Grinch as a gift to a buddy or two. Or just keep it yourself. You know, that's what he'd do.
Now, Thomas and his friends are busier than ever, bringing you even more fun. Watch Percy pick up a load, pass it on to Terence, who tips it into Thomas, who gives it back to Percy. Whew, the fun never stops with Thomas and Friends Big Loader from Tomy.
He was a man of peace.
It's him, the carpenter in Severus.
I'm building something new now.
A teacher of wisdom.
You must love your neighbor as much as you love yourself.
A healer of the hopeless.
They say he has powers from God.
He says he is the Christ.
Until those who feared him.
This man is stirring up the people. This man is the enemy of Rome.
Sought to destroy him.
Judas, would you betray me?
Don't you realize I have the power to crucify you?
Soon the Son of Man will be seated beside the throne of God.
Experience the majesty, the power, and the glory of a motion picture event for the entire family. With stunning state-of-the-art three-dimensional animation. This man was a son of God. In the extraordinary story of the Son of God, who would give his life for the love of us all.
Behold, the Lamb of God who takes away the sin of the world.
The Miracle Maker.
Will the chocolate-eating monster catch the magic stars?
Yikes.
You'll have to wait and see. Milky Way magic stars. They're yummy for your tummy.
Coming this fall, you will notice an eerie greenish glow. Your heart will beat faster. Your palms start to sweat. Suddenly, you know they are among us. It's the all-new movie, Scooby-Doo and the Alien Invaders, coming fall 2000. It's just the beginning.
What's wrong with the magic stars? Oh no, the chocolate-eating monster's back.
Yikes.
Watch out, falling star. Oh, they're in trouble now. Hey, wait a minute. Three cheers for the magic stars. Light and bubbly Milky Way magic stars. They're yummy for your tummy.
When you rent or buy a video, you need to know that the film you choose is suitable for the audience at home. To help you understand what the film is like, you can look at the certificate it has been given. This film has been classified U. That means it can be seen by people of all ages, and there will be nothing unsuitable for children. Video certificates are there to give you the chance to make the right choice. Thanks for listening.